Welcome to today's EV Stock Pre-Market Report, where we rev up your day with the latest surge signals and stock movements in the electric vehicle sector. Let's get rolling. Tesla showed a modest gain of 1.33%, with surge signals pointing to 224.96 for an upward trend and 217.56 if the bears take over. NIO, on the other hand, dipped by 1%, with recovery possibly up to 7.96 and a further slide to 7.76. Lucid Motors saw a slight decrease of 0.46%, with surge signals at 4.36 for a potential climb and 4.22 for additional downturns. Rivian gained 1.4%, with surge signals indicating an upward potential to 17.71 and a downward risk to 16.94. Mullen Automotive took a sharp 10.01% dive, but surge signals show a chance for a bounce back to 0.3 or a further drop to 0.27. Nikola's shares fell by 5.94%, with surge signals at 1.08 for upside resilience and 0.99 for continued decline. Li Auto, however, accelerated with a 1.22% increase, with surge signals at 40.23 for further gains and 39.36 for a possible pullback. XPeng's shares dropped by 1.72%, with surge signals at 17.34 for a rebound and 16.75 for more losses. ChargePoint had a slight increase of 0.35%, with surge signals at 2.89 for an upward trend and 2.75 for a downward trend. Canoo's stock decreased by 1.41%, with surge signals at 0.27 for a potential uptick and 0.24 for further decline. Polestar Automotive's shares fell by 2.19%, with surge signals at 2.27 for a bullish shift and 2.17 for a bearish continuation. Microvision saw a 0.74% decrease, with surge signals at 2.09 for a positive turn and 1.96 for a negative trend. Palantir moved up by 1.4%, with surge signals at 19.14 for an upward move and 18.5 for a downward trend. Fisker remained steady, with surge signals at 4.45 for a potential rise and 4.27 for a possible fall. Stellantis saw a slight decline of 0.92%, with surge signals at 19.45 for a bullish rebound and 19.25 for further drops. Blink Charging inched up by 0.39%, with surge signals at 2.63 for a positive push and 2.51 for a pullback. EVgo's stock edged up by 0.44%, with surge signals at 2.36 for an upward surge and 2.23 for a downward signal. Fuel Cell Energy held its ground, with surge signals at 1.17 for a rise and 1.11 for a dip. Workhorse Group charged ahead with a 4.59% increase, with surge signals at 0.44 for continued growth and 0.42 for a potential slowdown. That's a wrap for today's pre-market action. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates and insights on EV stocks throughout the trading day. Stay charged and ready for the market's moves with us.